Morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. Topic stoichiometry. It's an important calculation topic. Okay, or important 3 mark question. Okay, what is the stoichiometry? Stoichiometry gives the numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation. Listen. Stoichiometry gives the numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation. The numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation. Okay, stoichiometry gives the numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation. Say stoichiometry calculation or stoichiometry full definition or deep definition. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation in moles. Listen, stoichiometry is the quantity relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation in moles. The quantity of reactants and products can be expressed in moles or in terms of mass unit or as volume. These three units are interconvertible. Listen carefully. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation in moles. The quantity of reactants and products can be expressed in moles or in terms of moles unit or as volume. In terms of mass unit or as volume. These three units are interconvertible. Listen carefully. Three units. What's the three units? Mass, number of moles, and volume. Listen. Mass, number of moles, and volume. Say three units. First, mass to number of moles divided by molar mass to get number of moles. Number of moles to mass multiplied by molar mass. That's all. Number of moles to volume multiplied by 22.4 liters. Volume to number of moles divided by 22.4 moles, 22.4 liters. Number of moles to mass multiplied by molar mass. Listen carefully. Mass to number of moles divided by molar mass. Number of moles to volume multiplied by 22.4 liters. Say volume to number of moles divided by 22.4 liters. Number of moles to mass multiplied by molar mass. This is stoichiometry calculation. For example, methane react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water molecule. Methane is a gas. Methane or methyl. Methyl react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide plus water molecule. See, stoichiometry first one content. Reactants methyl and oxygen. These are reactants. Products carbon dioxide and water molecule. So first one content. Stoichiometry coefficient. Stoichiometry coefficient. Carbon main 1, oxygen 2 oxygen, therefore 2 coefficient. Carbon 1, oxygen 2, carbon 1, hydrogen 2. So stoichiometric coefficient. Next, mole relationship. How many mole? 1 methyl molecule, therefore 1 mole. 2 oxygen molecule, therefore 2 moles. 1 carbon dioxide molecules, therefore 1 mole. 2 moles. 2 coefficient, therefore 2 moles. That's all. mass relationship and number of mole and molar mass. Okay, first one, number of mole relationship, number of mole, 1 mole. 16 gram per mole units. Why? Listen, carbon atomic number 6, therefore molar mass 12, and hydrogen 4 hydrogen, molar mass 4, so 12 plus 4 16. Okay, listen, carbon atomic number 6, molar mass number 12, hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. Therefore how many carbon? 1, therefore 12. How many hydrogen? Plus 4 hydrogen, therefore 16. That's all. Understand? Therefore 12 plus 4 16, therefore 1 mole into 16, it is 16 gram. Therefore 2 oxygen, oxygen atomic number 8, and oxygen atomic number 8, mass number 16. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen, 2 into 16 32. How many moles? 2 moles, therefore 2 into 32 64 gram. That's all. Carbon 32 plus 40, 12. 32 plus 12 44. That's 32 is a oxygen, 12 is a carbon. 44 into 1 44 gram. Hydrogen molecule 2 and 2 68 16, 2 plus 16 18, 2 into 18 36 gram. That's all. So yeah, mass volume relationship, mass of reactants, number of moles and molar mass of reactants, volume of product. Listen, volume of product. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters at 273 Kelvin and 1 atomic pressure. 1 atomic pressure. Listen, reactants same 16 gram. Relation the mass of reactants, number of moles and mole of reaction. This value 16 gram, 64 gram. Products, volume of product. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. How many moles? 1 mole, therefore 22.4 liters. How many moles? 2 multiple 20/4. 2 into 22.4 44.8 liters. That's all. Volume relationship. 1 mole into 22.4 liters, 24.4 liter. 2 into 24 44 point. That's all. Calculation based on stoichiometry. Calculation based on stoichiometry. How many moles of hydrogen is required to produce 10 moles of ammonia? Listen carefully. How many moles of hydrogen is required to produce 10 moles of ammonia? First one, the balanced stoichiometric equation for the formation of ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Okay, N nitrogen. Listen, product ammonia. NH3 is a ammonia. Okay, nitrogen. I take nitrogen N2. I take hydrogen H2. Okay, how many hydrogen present? 2. In this one product 3. Therefore 3 into 2 6. About 2 into hydrogen. 2 into 3 6 hydrogen. 3 into 6 hydrogen 6 hydrogen. The balance. Therefore 2 nitrogen. That's all. The balanced stoichiometric equation for the formation of ammonia is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 ammonia, 2 NH3. As per the stoichiometric equation, to produce 2 moles of ammonia, 3 moles of hydrogen are required. How many to produce 2 moles of ammonia and 3 moles of hydrogen are required to produce 10 moles of ammonia. How many moles of 10 moles of ammonia? 2 moles of nitrogen, 3 moles of hydrogen. Therefore, to produce 10 moles of ammonia. Answer 3 into 5, 15 moles of hydrogen. How many moles? 15 moles of hydrogen. Second question. Calculate the amount of water produced by the composition of 32 gram of methane. 32 gram of methane. CH4 plus oxygen to produce carbon dioxide plus water. Calculate the amount of water produced. Amount of water produced by the composition of 32 gram of methane. Methane react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Listen. CH4 carbon molar mass 12, oxygen hydrogen molar mass 4. There were totally 16 gram mole inverse hydrogen to 16 18 gram mole inverse. Composition 32 gram methane produced. That's all. Listen. Hydrogen divided by 16 gram into 32 gram divided by 72 gram of water. Third question. How much volume of carbon dioxide is produced when 50 gram of calcium carbonate is heated completely under standard condition? The balanced chemical equation is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is heated to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Is the stoichiometric equation. 1 moles of calcium carbonates are heated to produce 1 moles of carbon dioxide. At STP, 1 mole of carbon dioxide occupies a volume of 22.7 liters. At STP, 50 gram of calcium carbonate are heated to produce 11.35 liters of carbon dioxide. How much volume of chlorine is required to form 11.2 liters of HCl, 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure? The balanced equation for the formation of HCl. Hydrogen and chlorine to form 2 HCl. To produce 2 moles of HCl and moles of chlorine gas is required to produce 44.8 liters of HCl and 22.4 liters of chlorine gas are required to produce 5.6 liters of chlorine are required. Student, this calculation is very important. The first 2 calculations very important questions. All the best and home test, my dear students. All the best.